Slack app on Linux, how to disable the blue circle icon on channel activity. When at work, I want to disable the blue icon notification that happens when there's any activity in a channel that I'm in. Specifically, I don't want this notification from certain Slack teams. Is there a way to mute an entire Slack team so that I won't get that blue icon notification? Thanks.
I don't seem to have the setting that Sean mentions, but I was able to make this work by opening up the .sr.unpacked/src/static directory, making a copy of the slack taskbar rest.png file and renaming it to slack taskbar unread.png to overwrite the version with the blue dot. Of course, that gets rid of the blue dot for all teams, but that's what I wanted. Edit, May 28, 2019 idea is still correct, but for the newest Slack version, 3.4.2, on Ubuntu, 2 more files have to be replaced. The following worked for me.
Same idea as Notitoad, but with the newest Slack version, 3.4.2, on Linux. There are 2 more files which have to be overwritten to replace the blue dot icon by the rest icon. I did the following. After a restart of Slack, we are rid of the blue dot.
The newest version, 4.1.2, doesn't read the ICO file on Linux and changes SRC to DIST. Instead, it builds a badge plus base. Luckily unread, 0 is the check responsible for the badge and only appears once in the minified.js, so it's easy to patch. You'll need the ASR tool to modify the Electron archive and pm install GSR.
The short answer is you can't without hacking Slack. The long answer is that exactly how to hack it will differ from one version to the next, as they update the source code. We should all team up and submit a feature request. Or maybe this could even be considered a bug. It's clearly bugging people. Until then, this should be a community wiki to prevent a new answer from being generated for each new Slack version. Add your scripts here, and clearly state the latest version on which it works, newest on top. For 0.7.0, this is an improvement on Dimitri SS answer. Unreads, 0 is replaced with false. So Slack should always think there are no unread messages. Replacement is done in all .js files, since the code seems to have been split up in the latest version. ASR is not run with super user privileges, which is useful for people using npm g_nosudo. Prerequisites: ASR installed globally through npm. npm install gsr. Script.
If you want the